Welcome to the mystical rainforest. As the sun dips behind the trees, the rainforest animals start to wind down. Shall we go and see who's still awake? Hello, dear. She's been gracefully walking among the ferns all day, and as the nighttime draws close, she finds a sheltered nook to relax. Can you twinkle your fingers like the spots on the deer and say goodnight? Good night, dear. Hello, lemur. He's been jumping around and playing peekaboo with his friends, and now he's starting to feel tired. He finds a comfy spot in a tree to snuggle up and close his eyes. Can you wave to the lemur and say good night? Good night, lemur. Hello, leopard. She's been prowling the forest floor all day, and as the sun starts to set, she climbs up onto a branch and stretches out her tired legs. Can you blow a kiss to the leopard and say good night? Good night, leopard. Hello, monkey. He's been swinging through the trees and playing tricks on his friends. He gives a big yawn. And finds his favourite tree to settle down for the night. Can you give yourself a big monkey hug and say good night? Good night, monkey. Hello, Panther. She's been roaming around the rainforest, each step as silent as the next. Now she curls up in a hidden spot, tucking her paws underneath her. Can you sleepily rub your eyes and say goodnight to the panther? Good night, panther. Hello, parrot. The parrot has filled the day with its vibrant colours and loud squawks. Now he's getting tired, so he snuggles down onto a branch and closes his eyes. Can you sway from side to side like the parrot snuggling down and say a sleepy good night? Good night, parrot. Hello, Red Panda. She's spent the day munching on yummy leaves. Now, feeling full and sleepy, she curls into a ball to rest. Can you snuggle your teddy and say goodnight to the Red Panda? Good night, Red Panda. Hello, Sloth. He's been hanging around, watching the hustle and bustle of the rainforest. Now it's time for him to gently close his eyes. Can you blink slowly, just like the sloth, and whisper, good night? Good night, Sloth. Hello, Snake. She's been slithering around the rainforest floor, and now she's tired and ready for bed. She cozies up into a small circle, ready to rest for the night. Can you make a hiss and say goodnight to the snake? Good night, Snake. As the rainforest whispers its lullabies and the night sky sparkles, all our rainforest friends settle down for the night. You did wonderfully, helping each one to sleep. Well done, little helper. And now it's your turn to rest your head. Close your eyes and dream about all of your adventures in the rainforest today. Good night, little one. Good night, rainforest.